Grinding internal welds in stainless steel pipes requires the right approach. Today, we're focusing on the curved body burr. Internal welds are difficult to access. Standard tools often struggle to reach the tight curvature found inside industrial piping. The solution is the curved body tungsten carbide burr. Its unique profile is engineered specifically for these internal contours. The curve allows the tool to pivot naturally against the pipe wall, providing a steady contact point for precise grinding. This design prevents the tool from digging in too deep, ensuring you only level the weld bead without damaging the pipe. Safety is critical. Always use a full face shield and respiratory gear to protect against fine stainless steel dust. Before you start, make sure your pipe is securely clamped. Stability is the key to preventing tool chatter and uneven finishes. Approach the weld at a shallow angle. Let the tool's curve do the guiding as you make your initial contact. Apply light, consistent pressure. The tungsten carbide is incredibly hard, so let the sharp teeth do the cutting for you. Keep the tool moving. Stationary grinding will quickly build up heat and can cause flat spots in the pipe radius. Stainless steel is sensitive to heat. Excessive temperatures can compromise the corrosion resistance of your weld zone. Work in short bursts. Give the metal time to cool down between passes to maintain the integrity of the stainless steel. Regularly stop and inspect your work. A bright light will help you identify any high spots that still need attention. These curved burrs are highly versatile, working effectively across a wide range of pipe diameters and schedules. The tungsten carbide construction ensures these burrs stay sharp far longer than standard high-speed steel tools. Once the weld is flush, you can transition to finer abrasives if a polished internal finish is required for your project. A smooth internal weld ensures unobstructed fluid flow and prevents material buildup over the life of the pipe. Clean your burrs after use to remove any material loading. A simple wire brush will keep your tools in top condition. Master these techniques and you'll achieve professional internal welds every time. Thanks for watching and happy grinding.